Do you want to learn photography? Well, here's 7 best photography courses online, free, plus paid. First course, the Ultimate Photography Course Beginner to Advanced by Udemy. This course is a complete guide providing a step-by-step procedure which makes it easy for beginners. Topics covered in this course are aperture, ISO, shutter speed, the 3 pillars, cameras, lenses, gear, and accessories, automatic versus manual, natural light, mixed photography, JPEG, versus RAW, how to get hired. You will be able to take photos like a pro. You will gain knowledge about the basics of photography. You will learn to use various social media applications for making your portfolio. You will learn to use natural and artificial lighting in photos. You will learn about different types of photography. This course is for people who want to learn the skill of photography. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Second course, say Masterclass in Photography Creative Camera Confidence by Udemy. This course focuses on the camera settings to make sure your images look amazing. Topics covered in this course are cameras, kit, and the art of exposure, settings, superpowers, and creative exposure, pin sharp pictures, color, and focal length magic, composition, and light. You will gain knowledge to use cameras with more efficiency. You will learn to use various hidden superpowers to become more creative. You will learn to adjust the focal length of the camera. You will learn to create more beautiful photographs. You will become a complete and confident photographer. This course is for anyone, especially those who want to take photos like a pro. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Third course, the Ultimate Guide to Freelance Photography by Udemy. This course provides you with a masterclass of photography to become an expert. Topics covered in this course are fundamentals of photography, understanding exposure, creative photographer, flash photography, outdoor portraits, studio lighting, digital darkroom, architecture, and real estate photography, pushing the envelope. You will gain knowledge about the fundamentals of photography. You will learn to become an expert in cameras, lenses, and accessories. You will learn creative photography by using various tools. You will learn to become a lighting technician. You will be able to work as a freelance photographer. This course is for anyone having a passion for photography. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fourth course, Photography Basics and Beyond, from Smartphone to DSLR Specialization by Coursera. This is a comprehensive specialization course which gives you a chance to learn photography from basics to advanced level. Topics covered in this course are, there are 5 separate courses in this specialization, which are camera, exposure, and photography, camera control, principles of photo composition, and digital image post-production, photography techniques, light, content, and sharing, photography capstone project. It provides you a chance to learn photography from a beginner's level. You will be provided course completion certificates. It provides a flexible schedule. It provides subtitles in many languages. You will be provided financial aid if you can't afford the course. This course is for anyone desiring to learn the skill of photography from beginner's level with no prior knowledge. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fifth course, Seeing Through Photographs by Coursera. This course is a part of the Modern and Contemporary Art and Design specialization. It focuses on the taking, sharing, and viewing of photographs. Topics covered in this course are photography making, technological innovations, production, circulation, and reception of images, relationship between photograph subject and meaning. You can learn photography from a beginner's level. You can set deadlines according to your schedule. You will be provided course completion certificates. It provides subtitles in various languages, thus making it easy to understand. If you can't afford this course, there is an option of financial aid. This course is for everyone interested in the art of photography. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Sixth course, the Best Free Photography Course Complete Playlist by YouTube, free course. This course provides you an entire playlist of videos which will give you all you need to become a good photographer. Topics covered in this course are exposure, aperture, and shutter, ISO, camera modes, focus point, and focus rules, focus technique, 5 tips to become better photographer, Lightroom tricks, edit your images, self-portrait photography. You are getting the best quality content for free. You will learn about the different techniques used in photography. You will start from the basics and reach the advanced level. You will learn to fight boredom by creative photography. You can start working as a freelance photographer. This course is for everyone, especially those students who can't afford paid courses. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. If you want to learn about Instagram photography, click on the I button. 7th course, Mobile Photography by Alison, free course. This course mainly focuses on photography done on smartphones. It provides you a chance to learn how you can use social media for photography. Topics covered in this course are: the topics covered in this course are: initiation into mobile photography, mastering the art of mobile photos, course assessment. You will learn the best content for free and earn course completion certificates. You will learn about the tools required for mobile photography. You will learn to create the best images on your smartphones. You will learn the importance of using the correct lens. You will learn to take and edit photos through social media applications. This course is for anyone desiring to take the best photos by using smartphones. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.